Hello, what's up guys, welcome on my RC channel. Today I'm gonna compare the original Traxxas TRX Sport version via the HB Toys Zp1001 model. So as I said before, this is the original Traxxas and this is the Zp Toys. So as you can see, Zp Toys is smaller than the Traxxas. It looks like the Traxxas TRX Defender version, and this is Sport version. Sport version is a little shorter than the Defender. And what we have inside, this is the Zp Toys, and this is the TRX Sport. So as you can see, Sport is bigger than the Zp Toys. So this is not a copy, this is original Traxxas TRX and this is Zp Toys. It looks like copy of the Traxxas, but it's not. So if you think that the Zp Toys is copy, then this is not true. Traxxas is bigger, better, got better steering angle, like this, and this is the modified Zp Toys steering angle. So it is not that good like on the Traxxas. Traxxas got very good steering angle, and the Zp Toys got very bad steering angle. So if you are looking a really good crawler trail car, so better go to Traxxas, not this, because this is more toy grade car and this is the real model. So I think that will be all. Thanks for watching and see you.